Shantibajar Bakastani Luazi Zagma by Baro Hakto Yokmani Shalpanda Banati Shaka Emile Probodriang Shantibajar Degree College Noklawa Ashani Baro Hakto Yokmani Panda Klaizaka Manjaka Shantibajar Proportion Chairman Shopna Boyda Proportion by Chairman Shotopato Shahano Kubite Kubun Adong Rock Abu Hakira Pando Manjaka Boga Paponja Chomitini Chairman Krishna Riang, Prominent Social Worker, Devashish Bumik, Shantibajar SD Monush Kumar Shaha, SDPU, Bapi Debrumano Kobui, Tekubun Adong Rock.
225, India has become a US 4 trillion economic as per IMF data. India is the fourth largest economy in the world in the year 2025 today. Indian leading economic contributors are traditional and modern agriculture, technology service, the handicrafts industries, and the business outsourcing. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's policy to zero tolerance against terrorism has been accepted by the whole world. Operation Sindoor, in which one of the example of zero tolerance against terrorism. In order to fight terrorism that has been invisible and borderless, Modi government is enabling officers and security force by equipping them with latest technologies. NIA has succeeded in achieving on conviction rate of around 95% in UAP case. Due to the steps taken against terrorism by the Modi government, terrorism incidents has been reduced by 70% in the past decade. Tourism is changing its form and cyber threat have posed a new challenge to the security apparatus. Under the leadership of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, India is taking measures to modernize its armed force with development of indigenous weapons.
Shantibajar Shimbikram Nikok Thom Chini Khorang.